Introduction: The paradox of success. Have you ever noticed that the loudest people in the room are often the ones who achieve the least? We live in an era of announcing. We post our gym goals before we lift a weight. We tweet our business ideas before we buy a domain. But there is a hidden law of the universe. Energy spent on talking is energy stolen from doing. Today, I want to share a story about two builders, a mountain, and the secret of the silent architect. High in the mist-covered mountains, two young architects, Kyle and Jace, were given a challenge by the great master. They were each given a plot of land and told to build a temple that would last 1,000 years. Jace was talented and full of fire. Every day he invited the villagers to his plot. He showed them his grand blueprints. He described the gold-leafed pillars and the marble floors. The villagers cheered. They called him a genius. Jace felt a rush of pride. He spent his evenings at the tavern, describing the view from the finished balcony. On the other side of the mountain, Kyle worked in total shadows. He built a high wooden fence around his plot. No one knew what he was doing. When the villagers asked, he simply bowed and said, "I am practicing." Months passed. Jace's temple looked magnificent from the outside. But because he spent so much time entertaining guests and talking, he started cutting corners to keep up the appearance of progress. He used hollow wood painted to look like stone. One night, a massive storm hit the mountain. The winds howled like hungry wolves. In the morning, the village gathered. Jace's temple, the one everyone had praised, had collapsed. It was a pile of painted wood. The wooden fence had fallen, revealing a structure made of solid, deep-rooted granite. Then, they looked at Kyle's plot. It wasn't flashy, but it was unshakable. Kyle hadn't spent his energy on praise. He had spent it on the foundation. Why did Jace fail? It's called social reality. When you tell someone your goal and they congratulate you, your brain releases dopamine. Your mind is tricked into thinking the work is already done. You lose the hunger needed to finish the task. Kyle understood that a dream is like a flame. If you open the door to show everyone, the wind blows it out. If you keep the door shut, the heat builds until it can melt iron. Stop feeding your ego with the applause of the start. Wait for the applause of the finish. Work so hard in silence that your success becomes the only noise the world hears. If you are ready to start working in silence, type "The work begins" in the comments. Subscribe for more stories to fuel your journey.